Clear this area. We need these staged by the ramp now. Lift with your legs, standardize that load distribution. All right, squad, let's move. Get your gear on the bus. We got 3 minutes, let's go. Heave. Next platoon, stand by the ramp. All accounted for. 30 confirmed. Keep moving, watch your footing. Let's go, let's go. Keep it coming straight back. Easy now. Watch your angle, steady, and stop. Keep it coming slow. Slow it down. Halt. Set the brakes. Chuck it. All right, bring it back easy. Hold it right there. Hold there.
Secure the chain, starboard side.
Roger that. Ratcheting down the tensioner now. Back it up slow. Keep it coming. A little more to the left. Steady. Hold. Stop! Keep it coming up the ramp. Steady. Hold, hold. Set the brake. Clear the lines. Keep it coming. Hold steady. All right, hold. Hold. Leave. Pull hard now. Move it to the bollard. Aye, keep the tension. Make it fast.
Contact bearing 090, closing fast.
Flight deck is green. Launch the birds. Deck is clear.
Rotor engage. Pilots, man your birds.
Launch the helos. All right, push hard now. Clear the rail. Keep it moving.
Foxtrot Control, this is Echo 6. All quiet on the western approach. Maintaining smirch watch.
Pressure check complete on this side, Chief. Looks good.
Confirmed. I'm uploading the data now. Make sure the hinge corrosion wash is thorough.
Winch engage. Lowering the stern gate now. Aye, engage. Gate descending. All right, the insert plan demands speed and silence. We hit the coastal target here at 0300 hours. No deviations, understood. Get on board! Move, move, move!
Helmsman, come right to 090.
Right to 090, aye, sir.
I swear, I think the cooks are trying to kill us with this mystery meat.
Nah, man, it tastes better at 0200.
Grounding pole up, steady. Look engaged, clear. Acknowledged, lifting. Launch sequence initiated. Green water, green deck. Move out. Forward, forward, keep it straight. You're good to go. Target acquired. Zulu team, move to the bow. Prepare to board.
Send it downrange. Keep it coming. Good effect on target. Cease fire, cease fire.
This is better than drills, huh? Yeah, at least we get some sun out here. And the chief hasn't yelled yet.
All right, stabilize the hover. Begin descent, very slow rate. And contact. Cut engines, cut engines.
Keep your wits about you. Eyes open down there. Yes, Sergeant Major.
Welcome aboard, Admiral. We are honored to host you today.
Thank you, Captain. It is an honor to be here.
You guys are late. Let's get a move on. The captain wants to get underway. We heard the call, deck watch. We're good to go.